Now another way you can make that same measurement, measuring the electric potential difference across the resistor, is by taking the voltage from this point, that's the end of the resistor here at row 16, and then making it in contact with some readout pin, and then taking from the other end of the resistor, so that's row 3 right here, and then going to the readout, the other readout pin, and then instead of measuring the voltage here, I can measure it where the readout pins are. So I've taken the 2 points, the 2 ends of the resistor, and I've copied them to two other rows. And again, I can measure the potential difference by just putting the probes here in contact with these readout pins. And then I can measure the voltage. Again, the circuit is not powered, so I measure nothing. But then once I power the circuit, again, I measure that 1/2 volt.